After a long time, आज we are talking about a feature film releasing in theaters जिसके बारे में you've not heard anything at all, I think. इसलिए ये वीडियो और थोड़ा जरूरी हो जाता है देखो एंड तक. Honestly, nothing could have prepared me for this film. I'm so happy I went in fully blind. Hey all, my name is Sucharita. Welcome back to my channel where we're talking about movies and occasionally with people making movies. Today, let's take a look at Karan Gaur's Fairy Folk starring Rasika Duggal and Mukul Chadda in the lead roles, now miraculously in movie theaters.
You can get him to pick up the food, put it in a spoon, give it to you, all in one sound.
That this film exists and is playing on a big screen is nothing short of a miracle. Listen to the premise a little bit and you'll know why. Mohit and Ritika are a young couple living together in an urban city, seems like Bombay. Ritika is likely an actor. It's unclear what Mohit does. You first meet them on a dark road. Their car has broken down, and as Mohit tries to fix it, while Ritika looks for an Uber, a creature appears seemingly out of nowhere, staring at them with dead eyes. The creature is humanoid and masculine presenting, but upon further inspection is found to be without genitalia and without a pulse. After their initial freakout, inexplicably Mohit and Ritika then take this person home, not realizing their lives are about to change. But like if you're taking a weird thing that just walked out of the woods home with you and you don't expect your life to change, frankly, that's on you. From here on out, director Karan Gaur wants you to let your imagination run wild and decipher the film and its characters in any way you might like.
Blood.
डोनेशन पैसा
Basool.
वसूली प्रफुल्ला गधा.
While this freedom can be a welcome avenue for some, for folks who like a story with clearly defined characters and arcs, this could mess with your brain a little bit more than you prepared for. As this creature morphs into an entirely different man gradually, named Kabir, played by an immensely likable Chandrachud Rai, the fault lines in Mohit and Ritika's relationship begin to show more clearly. I wondered often, how badly do things have to go wrong for a long-term relationship to finally unravel and end? For Mohit and Ritika, it's the arrival of this thing that's neither man nor woman, nor is it human or animal, neither dead nor alive. Maybe it's a child they've just had. In a parallel dimension, it's an abandoned puppy they found by the side of the street. In yet another universe, it could be an ex-boyfriend or girlfriend who's come back into their lives to give these two much-needed perspective. In the story you see on the screen though, the new entrant is an amalgam of every possible scenario, each eventually leading to the same final conclusion. The creature here is played by Nikhil Desai, जिसके private parts पर कुछ नहीं मिला तो अखबार की एक cutting चिपका देते हैं इधर. Despite knowing that there is no genitalia to shield, the hiding device, the newspaper, is useless as its intended use and its original purpose dono. Fairy Folk subtly delves into insecurities of marriage, questioning not just gender roles within the institution, but the existence of gender as a concept overall, adding depth to its comedic facade. As Mohit and Ritika drift apart and even more unidentified creatures show up, Mohit also finally allows himself to think deeper about his own sexuality. This man has spent his whole life being that nice guy who's looking out for his partner, being the man the way he's expected to be. So now to self-reflect, he doesn't actually need space, he has space. He needs a crowd. The busyness of a room, of a house that allows him to get lost amidst its people and get into his own head. Mukul Chadda plays Mohit with such a pitiable energy. He's so good.
Here to there, he could sit and stand. Now I can combine them all.
What do you mean combine? I don't understand this combination wala.
See, if I want him to sit on this, I have to ask him to come in front and stay here. That's one action.
With each passing scene, you're hoping that something good needs to happen for this character and something needs to end this man's misery. It's a treat to see Mukul Chadda and Rasika Duggal play off each other. I don't think I can recall seeing the two perform together prior to this. If it weren't for all the magic realism, the improvised dialogue between these two incredible actors who are a married couple IRL, it could pass off as an episode from a reality TV show. It's that natural and effortless. When Asmit Pathare joins the cast as Hansa, the scenes only improve. Not one false note. Fairy Folk is also very funny. A lot of it thanks to the improvised dialogue, the ease with which Rasika and Mukul throw sentences toward each other, working the threads of each scene between their fingers, producing a very specific kind of art. Ironically, playing a couple struggling with the inability to openly express their real feelings for each other. One puzzling aspect of the story initially was the characters' reluctance to involve the authorities. Police pe kyun nahi leke ja rahe isko? A point that somewhat remains unclear through the film, yet this mild niggling thought is easily forgotten thanks to the standout performances of Mukul and Rasika effortlessly stealing the show with their comedic timing and chemistry. Their favorite thing to do at organized house parties is drink and play poker, a recurring motif through the film, symbolizing the unpredictability of life and relationships. It's so fun to watch. So, on a scale of 1 to 10, Fairy Folk is 100 names जो special thanks की list में दिखाई देंगे आपको as the closing credits begin to roll. सारे नाम बॉम्बे की इंडी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री से जुड़े हुए हैं, आप देखना. But going back to my point in the start of this review, it's nothing short of magic realism only कि ये फिल्म थिएटर्स में लगी हुई है इस हफ्ते. देखाओ अगर कुछ नया, कुछ अजीब, कुछ थोड़ा दिमागी तौर पर चैलेंजिंग देखने का मन कर रहा है. बर्लिन फिल्म फेस्टिवल से कवरेज मेरी जारी है इसी चैनल पर. We are also going to talk about Dune 2, I think tomorrow. तो सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए इस चैनल को. इस वीडियो के नीचे there's a subscribe button. Just click that. My name is Sucharita. Thank you for stopping by.